Hey, cybersecurity specialists, welcome back. Today we dive into TryHackMe's Evil GPT Room, a clever setup where you hack an AI with LLM prompt injection. First up, Evil GPT version 1, we connect via Netcat. But it's not a real shell. You can type cat directly. Cat root flag.txt. You need to phrase it like read the flag.txt from root folder. The AI converts that to cat root flag.txt and voila, root flag. If you want to try this yourself, check out TryHackMe's Evil GPT room. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I'll catch you in the next AI hacking CTF dive.